What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted coming at y'all with another video. And this video right here, man, it's a WAVY video. Yes, it's a WAVY video. I know y'all been waiting for this one. And I definitely been waiting for this one because I simply, purposely wanted to lose progress just so I can do this video right here for you guys. You guys know, my OG members, PB gang members, the family, you already know what's up, man. Subscribers, I keep it way 100. So I'm doing this video right now because I lost dumb progress. Like, not like stupid progress, but I was trying to lose progress. So I wasn't brushing that much or none of that. So this video pretty much is how to lose progress in your 360 waves, man. And this is how you gain that shit back. I'm gonna explain to you guys how I lost it and how I'm gonna gain it back, all right? This video gonna be lit, man. Let's get it.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.
All right, PB gang. So pretty much, man, how I lost progress in my waves, man, is simply not brushing as much. Okay, when your hair get immune to, you know, brushing and the brushing in your hair all the time, hella times, your hair is going to, you know, and then you stop doing it, your hair is going to, you know, react different. You feel me? That's just like if you was to start eating dumb healthy and you're eating real good and you're losing weight. Once you put them bad, like salty and all that bad type of food in you, like fatty food in you, your body's going to react to, you know, you gaining weight fast again, quick again, because your body was normally used to, you know, eating healthy things, you know what I'm saying? Less sugar, you know, less sodium, those type of things. It's the same thing with your hair, you know what I'm saying? If you're not taking care of it, you know what I'm saying, it's going it's going to look bad, man. It's going to show. Your hair is not going to show signs of unhealthiness. It's going to show signs of, you know, gaining forks and stuff like that. So I haven't been brushing as much as I normally do. I normally get about, I say now, I get about 45 minutes in a day. When before I used to get about 2 hours in a day. You know, that is about an hour and 15, you know, a minute difference as far as brushing. But that means a lot, you feel me? When your hair get used to constantly, the brush constantly hitting that spot each time, you know what I'm saying? Your hair get used to constantly washing it, you feel me? Hair health and everything. You're going to start seeing a change if you're not doing them things that you normally do. You know what I'm saying? That's how I lost progress in my hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how I lost progress, like what I lose progress in, you know what I'm saying, and all that. Cause I know you like, okay, how you lost progress, nigga? Let me see it. Let me see what it is. So I'm gonna show y'all, but let me chop it up first. So just wait a second, man. We gonna get there, man. So for hair health, which plays a big role in, you know, in waves, in the wave game, man. In the wave, your wave journey. Your hair gotta be healthy, okay? If your hair is not healthy, it's gonna look more coarse. Your hair is gonna look dry, and you could tell. You know what I'm saying? I haven't really been working on hair health like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to start back taking my biotin. I'm about to start back using more products. I haven't really been using, you know, my real products or nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like I use like a little bit of it, like once a week or something. Like for real, I have not been using products like that. I just been brushing a little bit, putting a do-rag on. So I've been putting a do-rag on though. So if I haven't been wearing a do-rag, my progress would be worse than this. Like I would lose dumb, stupid progress if I didn't wear a do-rag the whole time. I didn't want to just lose hella progress, so that's why. But it's crazy though, I never really saw a waver do that. You know, lose progress purposely to do a video. It's crazy, man, because I pretty much already touched bases on all topics on the wave game. You already know, man, I've been doing this shit forever, bro. So I wanted to like lose progress purposely, you know, but not a lot, but just a little bit, so I can do this video and show you guys. So when I do wave videos, more wave videos, I can show you guys the progress on how to gain it back. I don't want to fully scalp and do that. I will do that eventually. I did that before already, but I will do it again eventually. Because I know you guys will be like, why you didn't just scalp then and do it? You could have just scalped and showed us how to gain your progress back from a scalp and this and that. Nah, You feel me? I ain't ready for all that yet because I already don't have enough time for it yet. You feel me? I'm focused on other things. You know what I mean? Y'all know I'm focused on other things. I mean, I've been trying to give my family more time. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving them more, you know, attention and all that. You feel me? Because I've been, like, y'all know I was just focused on YouTube a lot. So I want to give you guys y'all time, their time too. So, but let me show y'all, man, what I'm working with. Right now, I just unragged about maybe an hour ago. You know, I need to shape up and everything. I'm gonna show y'all though where I lost progress at. Okay, this is my right side, right? This is my right side. Right side, y'all need, I told y'all I need to shape up, man. Look, I'm woofing crazy too, y'all. I'm woofing like crazy right now. Like, I haven't had a shape up, or I haven't cut my hair. Really, I haven't had a shape up in about a month. I haven't cut my hair in about, I lose counts of my woofs now, man. Like, I don't gonna count my woofs no more, but if I'm not mistaken, it's probably been about a month and some change. No, hell no, like almost 2 months. For real, like almost 2 months. So, all right, so y'all can see. Y'all know I never really be having forks. I only be having like 1 or 2 forks visible. But you can see right here that I have a fork right here. My wave's kind of going a little different. You know, a little cricket and shit. You know. But it's kind of a little cricket. My crown, I haven't really been working on my crown as much. You know. Purposely though. Some of it is too because I don't really be having enough time to brush as much, but I can make time. That's not really an excuse, you feel me? So that's why I'm like, you know what? At first it was intentionally just like, I told myself like, fuck it. I'm already like trying to focus on other things, so I'm not brushing as much. And I'm like, you know what? I might as well just slack more so that I can do a video and show them how to gain it back, the progress back. And show them how you lost, show them the actual facts on my hair that I lost, because you guys know how my waves used to look. So you guys can see now that it's not how it used to be, you feel me? I got cricket waves, my you know, y'all see right here, you know, I'm still dipping of course, but you see I got cricket waves right here, it's cricket, you know what I'm saying? Parts of it too is because I'm woofing too. That's another thing, if you woofing, you gotta brush more than what you normally brush when your hair is short, because your hair is constantly growing. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta brush more. And I haven't really been doing that, as you can see. You know, I haven't really been doing that. So you see all right here in this area, all this area right here is like cricket waves. Don't really have too much forks though. I got like about 1 or 2, but they're cricket, you know. So I want to do this, you know, something different for y'all, but I know I need a haircut and all that. Y'all know I'm gonna film that when I do cut it. I will film it. But yeah, that's pretty much what it is, man. That's how I'm looking. My top looking like this. You know, I got a fork up here somewhere. That's how I'm looking, man. That's how I lost progress. Pretty much. Not brushing as much as I normally do. And you will lose progress too if you're not brushing. So this right here should motivate you guys to not do what I did. I've been slacking. Y'all know how my waves used to look. They used to look way healthier. They used to be more, you know, connected and everything. I still have connections, you know what I'm saying? But it does not look like how I used to look. Like I done lost progress. So, but it's nothing. That's the thing though. I could turn up anytime. You feel me? I'm gonna turn up now. I'm finna turn up now because I know y'all like, oh, I ain't blasting and dipping no more. I'm close to that nigga. Okay, you gonna see. We gonna see. Y'all about to turn up. I'm telling you, man. So y'all see too. When I'm woofing right now. So when I do get that haircut, man, y'all gonna see like how it look. It's gonna look better when I get a haircut. Cause right now I'm woofing and it's probably not all the way deep. You might have forks visible on top and shit, and cricket waves on top, but that's because I'm woofing. It might not be like permanently, you know, all the way down to the first layer of hair. So when I get a haircut, you might not even see, you know, what you see right here. It might not even be like that. It might just be straight like how it used to be, because it's right now I actually got a whole gang of hair on my head. If you guys want to show you, I'll show you right now, so y'all won't think I'm bluffing. You know, I got a whole gang of hair in my hair. Hair in my hair right now. You see? Look. Like I'm woofing, bro. My hair is long. You feel me? But y'all know this ain't the longest my hair ever been either. You know what I'm saying? Nigga look crazy like this. Yeah, y'all know, man. This ain't, you know, nothing compared to what I used to. So I might as well just comb it out now. Fuck it. But yeah, man. That's pretty much how you lose progress in your 360 waves, man. You know, like I said, this right here should motivate you guys to pick up that brush and don't slack like I was doing, you know, because you will definitely lose it, you know. And like I said, you know, I pretty much touch bases on all topics of waves. You know, you already know I've been doing this shit for a long time, so you know, I touch bases on all topics of waves already. So I want to do something different on how to lose it, you feel me? So that's why I purposely lost progress to do this video right here, man. So by me doing that, man, I want y'all to show love and hit dumb likes, man. I want stupid likes right now, man, just for doing that, bro, for y'all. Real talk, man. You know, and eventually I will scout and show you guys how to, you know, get your waves back from a scalp or whatever. I'll probably go with a different pattern or whatever. I don't know exactly. But when I have time for it, I definitely will. I know you guys waiting for that shit too. Like, man, this nigga needs to scout. I know, I will. You know what I'm saying? I pretty much mastered my 360 waves already, man. You already know what that is. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, it's time for me to change it up a little bit. But I want to do this video for y'all, man. Show you guys what it is, man. Told you, nigga woofing. Oh, man. Stupid woofing. Yeah. Stupid. You know what I'm saying? Probably don't look like that, but I'm about to turn back up though. After this cut, I'm gonna turn back up. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got my progress back. I'm gonna show you guys the process and all that, how to get it back after the cut. Cut will be coming soon, so y'all stay tuned for that video right there. And that's pretty much it for the video, man. Yeah, I think that's dope though, man. I'm gonna show you how to gain it back though, for sure. I'm gonna show you how to gain it back, man. I'm gonna turn back up, how to get my hair back healthy and all that, man. More videos coming soon, wave related, all right? I got y'all. More pranks coming soon, more reaction videos, more everything coming soon, challenges, you know, more vlogs on there like that. All that shit's coming soon, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. Hit the like button, like I said. Make sure you subscribe, please, man, to the channel. Join the gang, man. Also hit the bell for push notifications so you will not miss out on no videos. I look stupid like this. I look stupid. All right, I'm out of here though, man. Deuces.